They'll just do a picture.
आग देखी ताब देखी इसकी आँखों में सबने आप देखा
Thank you so
ख्वाब
much. Thank you so much. We good? Yeah.
देखा में हो
Here you go. So first of all, congratulations.
Thank
This
you.
is wonderful. This
Thank
is
you.
something that we've never seen before. कोई नहीं. जी 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 बहुत बढ़िया आइए देखा आप देख रहे हो क्या हो रहा है as soon as you come here धमाका मच गया first things first you know
जी बोलिए
5 साल है ना ये जर्नी टॉक टू अस अबाउट दैट फर्स्ट शॉट एंड उससे भी पहले दैट फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू गॉट टू नो दैट यू विल बी वर्किंग विद आइकॉन स्टार अल्लू अर्जुन सर
First of all, may I just welcome all of you here. Thank you so much for joining us. Good evening to all of you. I hope you've all eaten well and I hope you're enjoying this event. Thank you for being a part of it. And yes, पहले तो कहाँ से शुरू करूँ मैं? Okay. First, I'll start off from, I think, the first shot you asked me about. I remember the first shot was, in Pushpa 1 Srivalli's song, there's this paper, this thing I do, and I'm pouring that milk and all of that. I think that was the first day, and I was so nervous meeting Allu Arjun sir for the first day. I was like, yo, now how do I react to sir? Okay, sir, like he's been a superstar for such a long time. So I was like, okay, now I don't know how to react. I don't know how to behave and all of that. But that was the first day. That was the first interaction. But today, standing here in front of sir, just his family, his home. So the 5 years journey has been so different with a lot of emotional ride, I should say. But today here we are, and he's always going to be super special. So
You've met these eminent journalists, a couple of times, of course, in the past too. But
Yes.
when you are standing here for
Yeah.
Pushpa 2, The Rule,
Yeah.
after 16 December 2021, that was the first time you'd come here.
Yeah.
And we welcomed you.
Yeah,
So
thank
now,
you.
how does it feel?
A lot's changed, that's for sure. लेकिन जब भी ना मैं फिल्म शूट के लिए आ रही थी मुंबई के लिए I used to just be asked one question कि when is Pushpa 2 releasing? And today, with all of my heart and all of my confidence and all of my excitement, I can proudly announce that we're finally coming to you on December 5th.
अब बात समझ में आ गई हम सबको of course she said it अब समझ में आ गई talk to us about this amazing filmmaker
जी
सुकुमार सर जितना कहा जाए उतना कम है उन्होंने जब ये नरेट किया था आपको जब इसके बारे में बताया था उस समय क्या चल रहा था
Gee, it's just like how you've just said, no matter how many words, it's all too short for him. He's, in simple one-liner, I would just like to say he's a genius. I feel like he's not from Earth, he's from somewhere else, but he's just born as a human being and some other soul is just, he's a genius.
वो सामने नहीं आते हैं मतलब ऐसा we don't get to meet him what is this
So we should really plan to kidnap
है ना
him.
we have to do something with Sukumar sir because we've been waiting to talk to him of course anyone and everyone over here कौन सी एक चीज है रश्मिका इस फिल्म की इस 5 साल की जर्नी की that will always stay with you
There's 5 years journey is, you can't say it in one word, you can't say it in one phrase or sentence. Lekin, this, like 7 years of my journey as an actor, 5 years being with Pushpa, Pushpa is home. And now when we're done with the film, I actually don't know how to react to it because I'm very, very sad that it's ended, but I'm very, very excited that it's finally coming out. So I'm a little overwhelmed with a lot of emotions, but Yeah, I'm hoping that I get to work with the team lot many more times.
I'm sure, fingers crossed, and I'm sure ऐसा ही होगा. यहाँ पे बड़ी सारी बार आप आओगे और हम सबसे बातचीत करने वाले हो. 5th December, the rule begins, ladies and gentlemen. Culmination नहीं है किसी चीज का, बल्कि शुरुआत है. बॉक्स ऑफिस के लिए एक नई उम्मीद, कुछ नए रिकॉर्ड्स तो आप भी तोड़ रहे हो. पता नहीं कितने तरीके से वो हार्ट बना लेते हो आप. How many?
बस
Yeah.
ये
मैं तो खत्म हो गया, मैं जा रहा हूँ.
आप सबके लिए.
मेरा हो गया. ओके, जाते जाते ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव गॉट दिस रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम एवरीवन, यू नो, जितने लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, वी विल प्ले अंगारो, और आपको चिंगारी कैसे जलाते हैं वो सिखाना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज आई कांट.
No, before that, can I just talk to everyone?
प्लीज. यस.
Hi guys. Are you all waiting for the release? Pakka you'll go watch. I'll be looking forward for all your reviews, huh? Huh? Yeah, I really will, because I know every time I spoke to all of you guys, you were only asking when is Pushpa 2 coming, when is Pushpa 2 coming. So finally it is releasing. Now please watch it on in theaters on December 5th, and I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoy it. Bas, I'll stop.
She said it. बस ठीक है, अभी बोल दिया ना, अभी करने का है. So can we have that song थोड़ा सा?
आप करोगे मेरे साथ?
मैं तो I'm dying to do it, of course.
Lovely, thank you.
Gentlemen, one more time, give it up for Rashmika, and thank you so much for being so amazing every single time. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Of course, मेरा तो हो गया, घर जा रहा हूं मैं, किसी और को बुला लो, देख लो. Did I